Today, we're diving into why millionaires are secretly snapping up lesser-known stocks instead of just sticking to the big names. Let's uncover these hidden gems and see why they're not just investments, but strategic plays that could supercharge your portfolio. Imagine having a treasure map that leads not to buried gold, but to stocks with the potential to multiply your investment. That's what we're talking about today. Stocks like Leonardo DRS, Aker BP ASA, and Polestar Automotive. These aren't your typical headline grabbers, but they're stocks that could offer the kind of returns that make millionaires take notice. First off, lesser-known stocks often fly under the radar, meaning they can be undervalued. Big players like Leonardo DRS in the defense sector, with its strong order backlog of $4.4 billion, are prime examples. They're poised for growth but aren't in the limelight yet, giving you the chance to get in before the crowd. Let's talk specifics. Leonardo DRS, not your household name in defense, but with an 84% increase last year and a solid backlog, it's set for a potential breakout. Think about it, investing in a company that's critical to national defense but hasn't hit every investor's radar yet. Moving on to Aker BP ASA, an oil and gas giant with assets that scream long-term gains. With oil reserves ready to be tapped and a low break-even point, Aker BP is a stock that screams stability and growth, especially if you're looking at geopolitical tensions influencing oil prices. And then there's Polestar Automotive. In the electric vehicle space, dominated by names like Tesla, Polestar is making moves that could make it a leader. With significant deliveries growth and a robust pipeline of new models, this stock is all about futuristic gains. So why do millionaires love these stocks? It's about getting in before these stocks become the next big thing. It's not just investing, it's strategic positioning. Millionaires opt for stocks that promise growth, stability, and innovation. They align perfectly with a future where their current underdog status won't last long. What can you do? Begin by delving deep into these stocks. Investigate the stock's financials, their standing in the market, and their possible growth trajectory. Contemplate how these stocks gel with your comprehensive investment strategy. Always bear in mind the significance of diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. In conclusion, stepping away from the usual blue chips to consider lesser-known stocks can be a game changer, especially if you're looking for substantial growth. Millionaires look for opportunities where others see obscurity, and now you know a few of their secrets. Ready to explore these opportunities, dive deep, stay informed, and maybe, just maybe, you'll find your portfolio not just growing, but soaring. Remember, this isn't just investing. It's about making informed, strategic decisions that could redefine your financial future. Stay bold, stay curious, and as always, keep pushing the boundaries.